everyone, it's Rochelle and I'm back with another embroidery design. This time it'll be a floral design and I think you're going to like it pretty much. I'll even have an example of how to use it at the end. So before we get into the video to see how this beautiful design works out, I have to do the business. You know how it is. I get all of my designs from zdigitizing.com. And you are able to get a discount by using the link in the comment below, in the description below. So click the link after the video and go over and see what lovely designs they have. They even partner with Disney. So without further ado, let's go and take a look and see how this is going to work out, because I think you're going to love it.